828 Find Adventure here. I wanted to do a 1-year review of the side steps that I have on the Tundra. They are the RB20s by Rhino, and I've had these for let's say a little over a year now, and I just wanted to go over them in detail and show you how they've how they've lasted, if any rust has come up or anything like that. So let's go check it out. So here we have them. These are the strong RB20s. These are like 6.5 inches in the back, and they extend out to about 7 in the front. And these give a lot of space for you to put your foot. And I wear a size 12, so I need that. The other type that kind of drop down for a step, they tend to just not give you a lot to stand on, especially if you're putting things on the roof, or dealing with roof racks and stuff like that. They look like they're powder coated. They have a little bit of texture to them. These are not the bedline version that you can get that are really rough. The bedline version is a rougher texture, almost like it has sand in it, and that would work probably a lot better if you had real muddy feet, but I don't intend on standing on these or getting in my truck with real muddy feet. This is where the Rhino badge is, and I've covered that with a matte black wrap so you don't see it, because I don't want anything shiny silver on my truck. So let's check out underneath. This is the bracket in the very back. Each one of these brackets is specific. The Tundra, like all Toyotas, comes already pre-drilled, and they're threaded, so that's really nice. So you can just bolt up the brackets. It's real easy to install. From what I can tell, that might be dirt. I don't think that's surface rust. And if we go down here, it seems to have some dirt on it, but I don't see any rust whatsoever. So these, being the Crewmax, has 4 brackets, and they go together really easy. On these brackets here, each bracket has this piece right here that goes on top, and that holds the side step down on top. And it's just a bunch of bolts. It's really easy to put on. Let's get a closer look at the front. This is the front one, and this is on the driver's side. But these things, and I have had them, in places, riding around in the salt grime they put on the roads in the winter. I've been to the beach. Of course that's for a short period of time, but when it snows around here, they leave the salt on the road, and it's there for about a month. But yeah, no rust. That's great. The finishes remain the same. I don't do anything but wash it with soap. So that's pretty easy. So that's all I have to do to maintain them, just wash them. And I've gotten in and out with, I've had grit on my feet from gravel roads and just whatnot, but they haven't scratched up a bit. Let's check out the other side. So here we have the passenger side. No scratches. And these are the Rhino RB20s for the Tundra. And like I said, they're narrower in the back than in the front. That gives you more of a, I guess, what do they call it? More of a platform to stand on when you get in the front of the vehicle. But they're pretty wide anyways. I stand up on this thing, and you can see it's 7 inches at the front at the widest, so You can see with my size 12 clown shoe on here. Now I know some people have bigger feet, but from what I heard, the average is like a 10, a 9 or a 10 in America. So I don't know what that's all about. Let's look under this one. Besides dirt, I don't see anything. I do see that I need to wash underneath these and get some of this dirt out, but these have done really well. Because I've had these in all types of weather and conditions, and they just look great. All I do is wash them with, you know, car wash, so I don't spray them with anything or try to protect them. But there you go. I just wanted to make this video so you could see that these are really good quality and worth the money. I was a little hesitant on spending this much, but this is what I was looking for, because on the Tacoma, I had the kind that had a little step down right here in front of each door. And I had a roof rack over that whole truck, and it did not give me enough places to put my feet. So I went with this time, which is the complete opposite. And they were working out great. They probably give your vehicle some sort of protection as well. You know, I mean, they're heavy duty. They're definitely steel. And the brackets are real heavy duty as well. One thing about these brackets is they do hang down in the front. I don't know if you can see this right here. They hang down and all the way down the vehicle. And that is for strength. So, you know, regardless of your weight, you'd be able to stand on these and load things on the roof or whatever you needed to do. You know, they aren't the most aerodynamic. Again, you can see that hanging down right here. But, so, you know, that being said, they're super strong. And I think if, you know, if a car ran into you from the side, or a grocery buggy, or somebody tried to door ding you, now I will tell you, people can still get you with their doors. The back doors on sedans are the worst. They go out to like a point almost on a lot of these Camrys and Nissan Altimas and Maximas and all these cars that are 4 doors, these sedans. Those back doors will just ding anybody, and there's nothing you can do about it. And that's exactly how that happened. Somebody's irresponsible kid getting in the back seat of a car. But so anyways, I wanted to show you those. And just let you know what I thought of them. And like I said, really easy to install. I mean, you've got, let me see, you've got 4 brackets, 2 bolts each, and then you have 2 bolts to the step on those 4 brackets. I mean, you put the brackets on first, bolt those to the cab underneath, and then you put the step on top. That one piece of hardware that you can see in here that works like a big, almost like a big rectangular washer. I don't know if you can see that right there. And that's it, and put the bolts in and tighten it up. It was such an easy install. I never really made a good video of it. I do have a video of when I did install them, but they work great. You can see how they stick out, you know. That helps keep the door dings and the grocery cart buggies to a minimum. Well, there you go. I'm going to stop there. I think you had enough of these Go Rhino RB20 side steps for your vehicle. Well, hope you liked that little short video on the Go Rhino RB20 side steps that I put on the Tundra. I've had them for a year. They have not rusted. I have not scratched them up bad at all, actually. So the finish is pretty strong, that it hadn't gotten scratched or anything from the, you know, rocks being stuck in the bottom of your shoe or anything like that. But these, you've done really well. I really like the platform here to stand on. If you have a big foot or you're a big guy, this is perfect for you. And these are strong. They've really reinforced these brackets, so there's no way they're gonna bend. And you know, they're just really good quality. So you should check them out if you ever get a chance. And if you would, please subscribe and check out some of my other videos and hit that thumbs up if you get a chance. I've done over 100 videos, most of them on the Tundra and different truck things. So check those out, and I will see you next time. See ya.